Today I have a haul for you guys. All of the items are from Romwe and the theme is very like Halloween-ish. Well, my take on it, of course. And before I show you, I'd like to let you know that all the links for these are in the description down below, as well as my discount code, which is for you guys to use. So, without further ado, let's get right to it. Okay, like I said, it's my take on Halloween, the Halloween theme, you know? So it's a lot of like skull print stuff and, you know, basically like kind of spooky stuff, but it's still like stuff that I would wear like literally all year round. So to start off, we have this little white graphic tee, and as you can see, it is this like big skull print with like wings and roses and like flowers all over. I love that little pop of color with the red. Super cute. The length is really nice because it's kind of like not really cropped, but it's not too long. It's like that middle-ish length, which I love. And this would literally look so good with any pair of bottoms because of the fact that it's kind of like a plain white tee, just with like that cute kind of pop of print, you know? So I love this, and this to me, this is my take on like spooky Halloween. And it's mainly just because of the skull, but I love it so much. I'm gonna wear this all year round, and I mean, like, who wouldn't? This is so cute. This one is, oh my god, I don't have any tops like this. I've never seen a top like this before. It is a halter, a tie halter, and there's different colors, and of course, I just had to get the hot pink. And this one also has a skull print on it, but this one is like a skull butterfly, which I find that really cute. And it's like a gray and white print. It says, enjoy being the standout, breakout, I think. Break it. I can't read like fancy writing, so that's my fault. But it says something, keep your passion. It says that. That's the main one I got, so that's really cute. I love this part though because it has like these little grommets. It kind of reminds me of those belts, and it just goes along the hem. And I love this kind of like, what's it called? V neckline. I find it like a cute detail, and I just love the look of this. This would look good like with the pair of jeans I'm wearing right now, so like a low rise, or like a pair of black bottoms or a skirt really, because this is one of those ones where it's really easy to style. And it really sucks that it's getting colder now, because this one would have been so cute, but I'm still definitely going to wear it, like I said, all year round. Because, I mean, this is one of those ones that you can really wear whenever. This next one is another halter, and I've seen this one. I think I have this one on one of my boards somewhere. But this one, I adore this color purple. I really don't own a lot of purple. So when I saw this one and there was a bunch of color options, I was like, you know what? I'm going to get the purple. Because, I mean, look at this. So it's kind of like a halter, a tie-back halter, but it's more of like a vest style, because of the way that the bottom is cut. It's super cool though. I love it. And then on the both sides here of this neckline, it's like a really pretty like holographic almost look of like little, what are they called, like gems, rhinestones on it. And obviously you can see it's like skulls with the X bones. I'm not sure, there's a name for it, but I'm not sure what the name is. But it's really cool. I love the design, and it's like one of those like kind of simple ones, but with the skulls on it, it really just pops. And this would look so good, like I said, with the other one. These jeans I got on, these are like my everyday jeans. I love these. These would look so good with this, or literally any bottoms, I feel, any pair of denim, jeans, skirts, you know. So cute. We got another, like I said, I see skeleton, like skulls, as a very like spooky thing. So literally all of the stuff here I think has skulls on it. And I did not mean to do that. It was just kind of what I was drawn to. So this next one is like this kind of racer back tank. And it has a skull print all over. This one had a couple different colors to pick from. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to go with the standard black and white. And this one literally looks so cute with any dark wash shade of denim bottoms, I feel. And maybe with like a little black jacket thrown over it. That's how I would see it. But it's just one of those like nice simple tank tops, but with the way the print is, it really just becomes like a standout piece, you know? Like statement? I meant to say statement piece, sorry. That's the back of it. Super cute, and it's kind of a little cropped, but it's not like the super cropped, so it's like that perfect length that I like. I mean, look how cute that is. Can't wait to wear this one. I just noticed that I got a lot of tops. I think I got one pair of bottoms. I think I was just really drawn to the tops and I just couldn't help myself. But anyways, this next top, I've actually seen this. I saw this, I think I have it on one of my boards somewhere. But a skull, again, of course. But this one's like a cutesy skull because it has a little star right there. So it's just a plain black kind of cropped tee, but has like this graphic skull print right here in this kind of like, it's not like white, it's a very like off-white type of, let's go creamish kind of color. So it really just, it kind of gives like a cool contrast, I think, personally, even though it's still like white basically. But I love that skull, especially like the, it's not like the classic one, it kind of has like a different look to it. And then that little star is so cute. This will look so good with like any pair of jeans, and then I could throw on a little jacket over it. Or this could literally just be like a comfy shirt, I feel. Like it's a very soft material, I love it. It is so, so cute. I mean, look at this. Oh, I love it. This one is pretty different from all of them. I mean, it still has a skull on it. It has a skull in a star. As you can see, it has like the crossroad one, like where it's like that. The X skull with the star. But it's this like black and white striped off the shoulder t-shirt. That's a harsh one. Black and white striped off the shoulder graphic t-shirt. Look at that. And so it's like that middle length. It's a little cropped, you know, but it has like this really cool like off the shoulder thing here with this like black piece of fabric that's along the shoulder that I really love because it gives a contrast. Because from a distance you can't really see the stripes. It just looks like a plain kind of whitish grayish. But when you get close you see like this beautiful striping, and then the black on it, it just gives like a cool two-tone thing, especially because the print on it is in black. I just love the look of that. This will look so good with any pair of like dark wash denim, even black pair of jeans, I think, personally, or a little like skirt would be really cute. But I love this. I love the design. I don't have any shirts like this. I'm happy that I'm getting more like this because they're really cute. Next, this one is also different because it's a long sleeve. This is the only long sleeve. I got a lot of t-shirts and tanks types of tops. I'm not sure why. I seem to be drawn to that. But this one, of course, again, has another skull. It has a couple skulls, and it says some stuff on it. So it's a white t-shirt. It's a little on the crop side, but not too bad. It has like a black and white and grayish kind of print on it. And it says, broken, legends are born in May, which is funny because I'm born in March, but they don't know that. Destroyed, it just says like a bunch of like, kind of like, what's it called, like punkish type of stuff. And I'm just assuming with that because I'm not actually sure, but that's how I consider it. But I love the look of this. This will be perfect, especially since it's getting colder. So this one would be really cute with a pair of like pants, any kind of pants, because it's one of those simple ones that could really go with anything. I'd probably wear with a pair of like baggy jeans with maybe even like a little jacket over it if it's extra cold. But this is one of those ones, since it's a long sleeve, you don't really have to add anything else. So that's a super cute top here. I love it. So on to the last item. This is the only pair of bottoms that I got, and they're a pair of jeans, and can you guess? They have a skull print on them. And they also came with this, hold on, I think it's a pants chain. Yeah, a pants chain in the black color. Usually you see these in like, what's it called, like silver, but this one is black, so that's pretty new. And so the jeans themselves are like a contrast white stitching pair of jeans. And they're kind of like cargo jeans because they have pockets all over the sides, as you can see right there. Oh, and can you see that? Is that a skeleton print? Yep. So I'm pretty sure it says something right here. And then on the side pocket right here, there's a flat pocket. It has a skull print. It's kind of hard to show because the pants are like really folded, but when they're on, it's easier to tell. And then on the front of the jeans, on the other side, it says disaster on this flat pocket right here. And then it has a star and a little skull print with the cross thingy, the X. And then on the back, it just has the normal pockets. This is a very baggy pair of jeans. And you can probably wear these low-rise, high-rise because it has like a long inseam. So, you know, it just depends on how high you pull them up. But they are super cute. I love this design. And I like the contrast stitch. It's like a really cool addition. Plus it comes with a pants chain, so it's just like another thing you could throw in on there. And these feel super like grungy to me. I love the look of them. I don't have a lot of jeans like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know which one of the items I got from Romwe is your favorite. I personally love all of them, but especially that purple halter. I'm not sure, something about it, the purple color. I think it's because I don't have a lot of purple. That's why I'm so drawn to it. It's just so cute. I'd like to remind you also, once again, if you want to get one of those purple halters, the links for all the items are in the description down below, as well as my discount code. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!